Bonjour, travelers. Imagine yourself strolling down cobblestone streets lined with charming cafes, sipping on world-class wine, or basking in the warm Mediterranean sun. Whether it's the romance of Paris or the rich history of Lyon, France has a city for every kind of traveler. But with so many incredible destinations, how do you choose where to go? Stick around as we reveal the top 10 must-visit cities in France, each offering its own unique blend of culture, history, and mouth-watering cuisine. By the end of this video, you'll have a tough time deciding which city to visit first. And if you think you know France, stay tuned. We've got some hidden gems that might just surprise you. Our journey begins in the heart of France, Paris, famously known as the City of Light. Paris is the epitome of elegance and romance, a city where history meets modernity. As you walk along the Seine, you'll find yourself surrounded by some of the world's most iconic landmarks. The Eiffel Tower, standing tall and proud, offers breathtaking views of the city. But Paris is much more than just its monuments. The Louvre Museum, home to over 38,000 works of art, including the enigmatic Mona Lisa, is a must-visit for any art lover. Beyond the grandeur, Paris is a city of neighborhoods. The Marais, with its medieval streets and vibrant LGBTQ+ community. The bohemian Montmartre, where artists like Picasso and Van Gogh once lived. And Saint-Germain-des-Prés, known for its intellectual cafes like Les Deux Magots. And let's not forget the food. Oh, the food. From buttery croissants and crispy baguettes to the delicate macarons of La Durée and the rich, creamy French onion soup. Paris is a paradise for foodies. Make sure to visit a local bistro for a classic coq au vin or a crêperie for a savory galette. Paris is a city that you can visit 100 times and still find something new to fall in love with. Next, we travel to Lyon, often hailed as the gastronomic capital of France. Nestled between the Rhône and Saône rivers, Lyon is a city that delights the senses. Its Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a treasure trove of Renaissance architecture and winding cobblestone streets. But what truly sets Lyon apart is its culinary scene. This city is where French cuisine reaches new heights. The traditional bouchons of Lyon serve hearty, rustic dishes like quenelles, a delicate fish dumpling, and andouillette, a flavorful sausage made from pork intestines. Lyon is also home to the legendary chef Paul Bocuse, and his legacy lives on in the city's many Michelin-starred restaurants. If you're a foodie, a visit to Les Halles de Lyon, Paul Bocuse, an indoor market, is a must. Here you can sample the finest cheeses, charcuterie, and pastries. And for dessert, try the pink praline tart, a Lyonnaise specialty that's as beautiful as it is delicious. Whether you're dining at a Michelin-starred restaurant or enjoying a simple meal at a local cafe, Lyon's cuisine is sure to leave you craving more. From the gastronomic heart of France, we move to the sun-kissed shores of the French Riviera, to the city of Nice. Known as the jewel of the French Riviera, Nice is a city where the Mediterranean lifestyle comes alive. Stroll along the Promenade des Anglais, a beautiful seafront walkway that stretches along the stunning Baie des Anges. With its pebbly beaches, clear blue waters, and palm-lined boulevards, Nice offers a perfect blend of relaxation and culture. The Old Town, with its narrow streets and colorful facades, is a vibrant area full of life. Here, you can explore the Cour Salea market, famous for its fresh flowers, fruits, and vegetables. Nice's cuisine reflects its proximity to Italy, with dishes like ratatouille, salade niçoise, and socca, a crispy chickpea pancake that's a local favorite. And for dessert, don't miss the chance to try a slice of tarte tropézienne, a cream-filled pastry that's as delightful as the city itself. Nice is not just a destination, it's a way of life. De-restaurant or enjoying a simple meal at a local cafe, Lyon's cuisine is sure to leave you craving more. We're just getting started on our journey through France, but we want to hear from you. What's your dream destination in France? Or if you've already visited, which city stole your heart? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this tour, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Globe Guides for more travel inspiration. Next, we head to Bordeaux, the wine capital of the world. Located in southwestern France, Bordeaux is a city that's synonymous with wine. The region is home to some of the most prestigious vineyards in the world, and a visit to Bordeaux wouldn't be complete without a wine tasting tour. Whether you're a connoisseur or a casual sipper, you'll find something to love in the rolling vineyards of Bordeaux. The city itself is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its stunning 18th century architecture and the beautiful Place de la Bourse, where the water mirror creates a mesmerizing reflection of the buildings. Bordeaux's cuisine is equally impressive. Indulge in cannelés, small pastries with a rich custardy center and a caramelized crust, or enjoy a hearty serving of entrecôte à la bordelaise, a rib steak cooked in a red wine sauce. And if you're looking for something truly special, take a boat ride along the Garonne River at sunset, the perfect way to end a day in this elegant city. Our journey continues to Strasbourg, a city where French and German cultures come together in a beautiful blend. Situated on the border with Germany, Strasbourg is the capital of the Alsace region and a city with a unique identity. The Strasbourg Cathedral, with its towering spire and intricate Gothic architecture, is one of the most stunning landmarks in Europe. Inside, you'll find the famous astronomical clock, a marvel of medieval engineering. But Strasbourg's charm doesn't stop at its architecture. The Petite France district, with its half-timbered houses and picturesque canals, is a fairy tale come to life. The city's cuisine is equally diverse, with dishes that reflect its Franco-German heritage. Try choucroute garni, a dish of sauerkraut and sausages, or flamme cueche, a thin crust tart topped with crème fraîche, onions, and bacon. And if you visit during the holiday season, Strasbourg's Christmas markets, among the oldest in Europe, offer a magical experience with twinkling lights, festive music, and the warm aroma of mulled wine. Our next destination takes us to the vibrant city of Marseille, the gateway to Provence and the oldest city in France. Marseille is a city with a rich maritime heritage, and the Old Port is the heart of it all. Watch the boats bobbing in the harbor as you enjoy a meal at one of the many seafood restaurants lining the port. Marseille is also home to the iconic Notre-Dame de la Garde, a basilica perched high on a hill with panoramic views of the city and the Mediterranean Sea. One of the must-try dishes in Marseille is bouillabaisse, a traditional Provençal fish stew made with a variety of fish and shellfish, simmered in a broth of tomatoes, garlic, and saffron. Marseille is also known for its vibrant markets, where you can find everything from fresh produce to local crafts. With its sunny climate, multicultural population, and stunning natural surroundings, Marseille is a city that offers a true taste of the Mediterranean. Next on our journey is Toulouse, affectionately known as the Pink City due to its unique terracotta-colored buildings that glow warmly in the southern sun. Toulouse is a city of contrasts, where ancient history meets modern innovation. It's the hub of the European aerospace industry, home to the headquarters of Airbus and the fascinating Cité de l'Espace, a space-themed museum and park that's perfect for families and space enthusiasts alike. Toulouse's historic heart is the Capitole de Toulouse, an impressive 18th century building that now serves as the City Hall and Opera House. The square in front of the Capitole is the perfect place to enjoy a coffee while soaking in the vibrant atmosphere. Toulouse is also known for its riverside charm, with the Garonne River providing the perfect backdrop for an evening stroll. When it comes to food, Toulouse does not disappoint. The city's most famous dish is cassoulet, a hearty stew made with white beans, sausages, and duck confit, slow cooked to perfection. Another local specialty is foie gras, a luxurious dish often served with a glass of sweet white wine from the nearby vineyards of Gaillac. Whether you're exploring the city's rich history or indulging in its culinary delights, Toulouse is a destination that will leave a lasting impression. Continuing our journey, we arrive in Lille, a city that often flies under the radar but is rich in culture and history. Located in the north of France, near the Belgian border, Lille has a unique blend of French and Flemish influences that is evident in its architecture, cuisine, and traditions. The city's Grand Place is the vibrant heart of Lille, surrounded by stunning Flemish-style buildings and lively cafes. Just a short walk away, you'll find the Old Stock Exchange, one of Lille's most iconic landmarks, with its intricate Renaissance architecture and beautiful courtyard where you can often find secondhand book markets. Lille is also a city of art, with a thriving street art scene and numerous cultural festivals that add to its vibrant atmosphere. Lille's cuisine reflects its cultural crossroads. One must-try dish is carbonade flamande, a rich beef stew made with beer, onions, and spices, slow-cooked until the meat is tender and flavorful. And if you have a sweet tooth, you can't miss the gaufres de Lille, delicious waffles filled with vanilla or chocolate cream. Lille may be smaller than some of France's other cities, but it's big on charm and character. Our next stop is Nantes, a city with a rich royal history and a vibrant cultural scene. Once the capital of the Duchy of Brittany, Nantes is home to the Château des Ducs de Bretagne, a historic castle that now houses a museum dedicated to the city's history. As you explore the castle's ramparts and courtyards, you'll be transported back to a time of knights and duchesses. But Nantes is not just about the past. It's a city that embraces creativity and innovation. The Machines of the Isle of Nantes is a unique attraction that showcases giant mechanical animals, including a massive walking elephant that you can actually ride. This fantastical world is inspired by the works of Jules Verne, who was born in Nantes and is a must-see for visitors of all ages. Nantes is also known for its beautiful location on the Loire River, offering scenic riverfront views and easy access to the nearby vineyards and chateaux of the Loire Valley. The city's cuisine is equally enticing, with specialties like beurre blanc, a rich butter sauce often served with fish, and gâteau Nante, a rum-soaked almond cake that's simply divine. Nantes is a city where history, creativity, and culinary delights come together in perfect harmony. From the bustling streets of Paris to the sun-drenched shores of Nice, France is a country that offers an endless array of experiences for travelers. Whether you're drawn to its rich history, world-class cuisine, or stunning landscapes, there's a city in France that's perfect for you. We hope this journey through the top 10 cities in France has inspired your next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel guides from Globe Guides. And remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Bon voyage.